After you update to iOS 18.3.1, turn off these settings. First, turn off Apple Intelligent Reports. This feature collects and analyzes your interactions, potentially compromising privacy. To disable this, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Apple Intelligence Report, toggle off report duration. This will help protect personal data and improves your battery life. Disable background app refresh. This feature lets apps update in the background, draining battery and using data. After updates, it may rest to on. To disable, head back, go to the main page of settings, navigate to the option General, click on background app refresh, set it to off or customize per app. Tweak messaging settings. Enable RCS messaging for better communication with Android users. Disable low image mode to send and receive high quality images. For that, go back to the main page of settings, navigate to the app messages, enable RCS messaging and disable low image mode. Strengthen Safari privacy settings. Enable prevent cross-site tracking, hide IP address and fraudulent website warning. Likewise, disable privacy preserving ad measurement. Go back to the main page of settings, search for the app Safari, open it. Now, enable for the option prevent cross-site tracking, hide IP address and fraudulent website warning. Then navigate to the option advanced and disable for this option privacy preserving ad measurement. Lastly, review active subscription. Some cancelled trials may reactivate post-update. To check, go back to the main page of settings. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Click on the option subscriptions. These changes will enhance privacy, save battery and optimize iPhone performance after updating to iOS 18.3.1. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.